Welcome to the Roth Living Kitchen. We are the BariGirls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're making healthy eating count with our low-fat breakfast pizza.
Yes, and we are using reduced fat crescent roll for the crust. This brings great flavor to the pizza. I can't wait for you to taste.
Now we're also using turkey sausage instead of regular sausage because it's generally lower in calories, fat, and cholesterol compared to other sausage.
Very true, Mom. Let's get started by preheating our oven to 375. Next, we will heat our olive oil in a medium-sized skillet over medium heat. Saute our red bell peppers and onions for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they don't look translucent there.
Now we'll whisk together the eggs, milk, and salt and pepper in a small bowl. We'll add our egg mixture to the skillet and cook, stirring frequently until the eggs are just set, about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll set that aside.
Now we will line our 12-inch pizza pan with parchment paper or lightly grease with cooking spray. Separate the crescent dough and press onto the bottom and up the sides of the pizza pan to form the crust. Make sure to press the seams together firmly to seal.
Now we'll sprinkle our cooked sausage over the top of the dough, spoon our scrambled eggs over the top of the sausage, and finish with cheddar cheese. We'll bake that for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden brown. Remove from the oven, slice, and serve immediately.
Yes, immediately, Mom, because I want it immediate.
Me too.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, on Facebook and YouTube.
And when you try these at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you
Make it count. The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.